Just another day in Bali, guys. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Siema, dzień dobry wszystkim. I'm Damian from TheMonkeys, and I'm just at the front of the Kuta beach. Just behind me is the main gate. Little lifeguard. Also behind me is very windy day today, so I'm gonna go to Beachwalk area and let's see how's the life today going in Kuta. I hope so. It's definitely more alive. I hope so. It's more alive. I'm not sure actually if definitely it's more alive, but I hope so. It's more alive than the last time when I had the stroll here. This is actually one of my regular strolls nowadays in Bali. All right, folks. I'm with Timmy right now on the Kuta beach. Having my radar. Thanks, Diane, for the shot today. Appreciate that. Timmy is all right. Here is with me. He's smiling as always.
Yes, always.
Always. Also, guys, I would like to invite you tomorrow at 4 p.m. Bali time for the live stream from Bali, from the one of many of your favorite places. Tomorrow, you can guess in the comment section where I'm gonna be tomorrow. Anyway, I'm doing now live stream every single week at Saturday, 4 p.m. Bali time. So in Australia, it's late afternoon. In Europe, it's early morning. So if you have time, you don't work on Saturday, come join. There is the live chat, live stream. See you there. So this is the warung just at the front of the main Kuta gate, and also still people stopping and making pictures, and some people most likely coming here to making pictures. Also, this is the main entrance, Grand Ina, and the street over here. Okay, let's lead into this direction and let's see how's the life is going today. Beautiful day actually. It's kinda windy, I could say. You can see even maybe probably on the looking of this coconut tree, but it's beautiful day. It's not rainy, no cloudy like it was in my past few videos. Hard Rock Cafe just at the front. And yeah, let's see. This is just another day and another regular stroll from Bali. If you just found my channel, you should consider to subscribe, maybe, or maybe not. It's up to you. However, we're doing the videos every single day already since past 2 years, nearly. So if you are missing Bali, love Bali, or interested how it looks like in Bali and more, I would suggest you to subscribe. Meanwhile, Hard Rock, people coming, making pictures. This is the horse car. Again, I forgot the name. Hello. Yo! Hard Rock Hotel is open and seems like it's maybe not very busy, but it's open and there are some people actually. Currently, if I have to be honest with you guys, seems like it's kind of quiet. I mean, it's better than it was past months. I vlogged in Legian and was actually very optimistic, and almost all the businesses on this street are open. However, it's midweek and it's windy, but it's sunny. It's only 1 hour to sunset, maybe less, but it's not so many people on the street. Hello. There's some massage. Thank you. So massage opportunities, always a lot of massages in Bali, especially if you're coming to Kuta, Legian, and Seminyak as well area, a lot of massages. And well, here is little warung. Actually, it's quite busy inside the warung, I could say, and definitely. Okay, I could say there is not many people passing by car and motorbike like it used to be usually, but it's actually kinda. Some people walking on the street, at least some of them, few of them. And this is already the Kuta beach. And yo, thank you. And this is the entrance to the Poppies Lane 1, popular street, very famous, legendary place in Bali. At least used to be. I used to vlog there already many times as well, guys. So maybe not gonna mention this on today's occasion, but in general, yeah. This is the entrance. Many businesses around. Meanwhile, I'm gonna lead more into direction of Beachwalk. Here, supposed to be a McDonald's. Now it's Alpha Express. So here at the front, supposed to be an old McDonald's. Now it's gone. And this is the situation on the beach. How does it look like? And warungs around. Maybe some of you recognize anyone, somebody Well, they are open, but still seems like it's kind of quiet, I could say, as it's very windy today. Parking area, some selling, Kuta Sea View, warungs. Now it's nice on the Kuta Street because where is the parking for motorbikes, there are also some little vendors selling many interesting facts. Maybe whenever you come back, you can buy something from them, like corn, for example, if you like it. Balloon situation, happy kids. But seems like you can even buy satay here or something like that. So it's really not so bad. Facing that direction is also nice light. Everything is into very soft, crispy, colorful image. This guy is very funny. He's asking people to come there because there is private parking area. So people usually go to the parking in the Beachwalk, but there is private parking area, so he could earn some extra cash. Entrance to the Poppies Lane too, another very famous, popular street in Bali. And okay, I can already tell you, when I was making the live stream, there was more shops open. However, I can see some tourists walking deep inside. I will zoom it a little bit for you. Here we go. Probably this is the most busiest place in Kuta, in general, in Kuta Legian area right now, or all the time actually. If you maybe remember this place during the sunset time, it was as busy as any other places in Kuta. It was almost hard to drive here, was faster to walk, but currently it's not so busy. But regarding the past weeks, past months, when I film here regularly, at least twice a month, once a month, it's definitely more pedestrians, definitely more people walking by, passing by, and they seems like they are tourists. I think mostly still local domestic tourists, but definitely better than it was. And at the front is already Beachwalk Mall, Zara, Starbucks, stuff like this. Well, it's end of February, Nyapi is coming soon. Still wet season, so in general, even in the previous situation, used to be more quiet than usual, but situation is improving slowly. And this is the parking situation next to the Beachwalk Mall, and of course on the other side of the street there are entrances to the beach, and seems like a parking area is very busy. So many local vendors, the local people sitting, enjoying and waiting for something. Actually, I don't know what these people are doing, except they are eating and they are working on the beach or working in the mall, or they are just coming here for the lunch, something like that. It's actually kind of hard to say. And this is already the Beachwalk Mall. Seems like mall is kind of busy. It's going more and more people walking around, passing by. I'm gonna show you so many motorbikes. Beachwalk Mall, actually some people are coming, definitely slightly more alive. And yeah, that's what it is. This guy is trying to pass the street, but the 3 cars just went and didn't stop. So always be careful when you are passing the street. I'm gonna also do it by myself right now, I hope so. You have to just be careful, because yeah, just have to be careful. What I can say. Okay, I'm gonna try now. By the way, this is nice Corolla. And this is the Beachwalk Mall in Kuta. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to go inside and having a stroll around the Beachwalk Mall. I used to do it a few months ago when it was rainy. Check this out, nice old Corolla, I like them. Alright guys, that was the quickly situation. How does it look today in Kuta, on the Kuta street, just next to the Kuta beach, obviously, area from Kuta beach to Beachwalk. You can comment below what do you think. It seems like it's going better and better. Let's see what the upcoming week's gonna bring to us. And meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you as always on next one tomorrow. See ya, take care.